When most of us imagine starting an agribusiness, we picture massive plots of land, expensive machinery, and a large labor force. But there is a way to enter the market without those requirements. You can start using an empty 500 to 800 square foot room in a standard house. Mushroom farming fits this space perfectly. It requires no soil, and the daily operations can be managed by 1 or 2 family members. This chart shows how that space handles investment. A 50,000 rupee injection into a single room scales up to a 4 lakh rupee annual net profit. This is a systematic, volumetric microbusiness. We can break down the transition from an empty room to a profit-generating farm into 4 specific operational areas. This matrix compares India's 3 main mushrooms. We rule out button, requiring expensive AC, and Milky with strict climate needs. That leaves Oyster as the ideal starting point. It has the lowest cost, is beginner-friendly, and dries easily for storage. The grow room must be a closed space, like a room or shed, designed to retain high humidity while allowing for steady cross-ventilation. To maximize the space, we use vertical farming. Bamboo or iron racks allow you to stack your crop, multiplying the output of your floor space. This donut chart shows the allocation of your 50,000 to 80,000 rupee startup capital. The majority goes toward the racks, seeds, wheat straw, and basic sprayers. Smart spatial planning turns a small footprint into a high-yield production facility. The farming process follows a 5-step timeline. Step 1 is sterilization, soaking wheat straw in a chemical solution to remove pathogens. Step 2 is drying. The straw is spread on a clean surface until the moisture content reaches 60 to 70%. Step 3 is spawning. You pack alternating layers of straw and mushroom seeds into plastic bags. Step 4 is incubation in a dark room. Over 20 days, the white mycelium network you see here completely consumes the straw. Step 5 is fruiting. After making small cuts in the bags and spraying them with water, the mushrooms emerge within 10 days. Following this biological timeline converts low-value wheat straw into a high-value consumer product. The input cost to produce 1 kilogram of mushrooms is 50 rupees. The average market price is 150 rupees, creating a significant margin. Harvesting 10 to 15 kilograms daily results in a 30,000 rupee monthly net gain. These margins make the business resilient. Even at low volumes, the operation remains profitable. For sales, target local vegetable mandis and hotels that require a steady supply of fresh produce. You can find higher margins by delivering fresh mushrooms directly to consumers in your neighborhood using WhatsApp or Facebook. If you have unsold inventory, you can sun-dry the mushrooms and sell them as a powder to pharmaceutical companies. By operating between September and March, you take advantage of natural temperatures and avoid the cost of cooling equipment. With a systematic plan and minimal capital, an empty room becomes a functioning, low-risk microenterprise. If you have questions about the setup, let us know in the comments below.